So I was intrigued by this particular model of Renishaw while I was going through this stall. So what can you tell us about Renishaw Equator 300?
So basically, Equator 300 is uniquely designed machine, and we called it as a versatile gauging solution. So this machine is basically working in a soft floor environment, and where there is a requirement of process control or 100% inspection or highly frequency inspection, where we are giving this solution to our customers. This machine is versatile because all different variants of the component we can check and give the feedback to the machine, and we can correct the process, as well as we can also give the inspection report of entire batch.
Really very interesting. So what you're trying to say is, while some operator is working, this product is doing the measurement along with that, so you can replace one manpower and save the money for your customer. Am I right?
Yeah, that is also the correct thing. And the other thing is, earlier there was a concept of tailgate inspection, but in today's world now every customer needs the inspection at the point of measurement, at the point of manufacturing. So basically, when you want to do the inspection at the point of manufacturing, you have to put the machine beside the CNC machine, and when the component coming out from the CNC machine, customer check those components and they will just correct whatever variations are there in the machine, and then they can do the mass production. So each and every component coming from the machine, it is checking there and there itself.
So definitely, you are talking about your catering to aerospace and such complicated, engineering components where they're making. So quality of the products are very important, and measuring them is really very important, so that if any Indian manufacturer is exporting out of India, the component should not get rejected. And you are helping them, save money and provide quality products to their end customers. I think you are doing a really good job here in India.